All right, so we are ready for the bearing base, except you don't have anything to kind of go off of in terms of the miter line or anything like that. So we have to do a little bit of setup to make sure that our front, top, and side views are going to look okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my border, right? We're going to consider this our construction, and I'm just going to create the boundaries and the miter line for the stuff that we're doing right now. So let's just kind of block this thing out. My front view is going to be kind of the front left that we see in the image. So I'm just going to grab a rectangle in my border view. We know we've got a total width of 5 and we have a total height of 2.5. So that shows us essentially where our object is going to be inside there. And I'm going to be leveraging the offset tool a whole bunch because I am a lazy person. But the problem is if we offset a rectangle, it's going to try to offset the whole thing. So we're going to explode it. So if we see there's a little cube that has the faces that are blown off of each other, I'm going to hit explode. And I'm going to select my object, which is this, and I just hit enter. Boop. And now we can select each of those faces or each of those lines as a separate face. All right, so let's grab the offset tool. As a rule of thumb, I like to offset things by 1.5 inches. So each of the views are 1.5 inches away from each other. So select objects. I'm going to select you. So that's part of the top view. I'm going to do the same thing with you as part of the side view. Hit escape. Remember our sneaky trick. If I right click and hit repeat offset, I don't have to do that work all over again. And now I have to figure out what my overall width is going to be. And it looks like that little half circle is 4 inches. So let's offset 4. And I know automatically how far this thing out is going to be. I'm going to do the same thing over here. And just for kicks and giggles, maybe we connect these lines too. So we're going to go like so. Grab you. And I'm just going to connect them so I can see those little boxes. You don't have to do this, but it kind of helps me to visualize what the heck is going on. And then let's also throw in our miter line. So as long as our 1.5s are equal for both those offsets, I'm just going to throw in random distance, hit 45, and now we've got our miter line. So now we're ready to actually get into the part and start to create it. So you guys can use all the skills that you've developed already. This is just a nice little starting point to know where the boundaries are. And remember, you jump into your object layer and you can start to draw the pieces there. Good luck.